You hum a tune, lost in thought, tracing shapes on the window glass. The world outside just fades away when I see you laugh like that. Every little sigh, every little smile, they linger like a melody. And I don't need a single word to know what you mean to me. You're the color in the gray, the warmth inside my hands, like a song that stays the same, but I hear it new again. You tilt your head, lost in dreams, mumbling stories no one knows. But every word you leave unsaid somehow finds its way to me. Every little glance, every little pause, they paint the air between us. And I don't need a single sign to know where my heart belongs. You're the color in the gray, the rhythm in my steps, like a song that never fades, but it's brighter every breath. If the world forgets to shine, I'll still find light in your hand. If the days move far too fast, I'll keep this moment here to last. You're the whisper in the breeze, the thread that ties me home, like a song that sings so free, but I hear it close to me. You're the laughter in the rain, the echo in my bones, like a song I always knew, yet it feels like something new. You're the quiet shade when the day gets too bright, a whispering comfort, a soft candlelight. In the hum of the world, you're the calm that I see, a gentle embrace in the noise and the heat. And every time I see you, I find my way. It's the little things you do, they steady my sway. With you, love feels like the first warm breeze, like laughter that drifts through autumn trees. It's a place to rest, no need to roam. With you, my heart, I feel at home. You're the light in my window as daylight fades, a steady hand when the ground starts to shake. In a world that moves fast, you're the gentle line that reminds me I'm yours, and that's just fine. And every time I hear you, my worries fade. In your voice I find peace at the end of the day. With you, love feels like the morning rain, soft as a song yet fierce as a flame. It's It's a shelter built, a place to grow. With you, my heart, I found my home. In the calm of your touch, I find all I need. In the warmth of your laugh, I'm finally free. Through every season and every storm, you're the quiet warmth where I belong. With you, love feels like the earth in spring, a promise that grows in everything. It's a path we make as we go along. With you, my heart, I found my song. With you, love feels like a sky so clear, like stories told that we'll always hear. It's a home we build, a place to be. With you, my heart, I'm truly free.
Rain on the sidewalk, silver in the air. You ran laughing like you didn't care. One tiny shelter in a crowded street, two shadows dancing at our feet. Dripping hair and a neon sign, your shoulder brushing into mine. Traffic humming, city glow, didn't know then how far we go. Coffee steam in a borrowed coat, midnight trains that barely float. We were reckless with our time, making rhythms out of rhyme. Puddles splashing, sneakers bright, turning gray into something light. From nice to meet you in the rain, to calling out each other's name. Close enough to feel your heartbeat, close enough to start believing. Under one umbrella, we were at Mandao side by side, laughing at the weather, nowhere left to hide. Just a simple shelter in a stormy sky. You and I, oh, you and I. Seasons spinning, rent to pay, dreams that kept us wide awake. Arguments and make-up songs, learning where we both belong. Maps unfolded on the floor, suitcases by the door. From a sidewalk rendezvous to building something true. Close enough to chase the lightning, close enough to call it timing. Under one umbrella, stepping into blue, running through the weather, me and you. From a passing shower to a wider sky, you and I, oh, you and I. Thunder rolling, let it play, we spin it into our own parade. Wild winds trying to rearrange, we turn the chaos into change. One small shelter, look at us now. From shared silence to wedding vows. Under one umbrella, hand in hand, walking through whatever we have planned. Not just waiting for the rain to pass us by. You and I.
Waking up to the sound of your voice, coffee brewing, the simplest choice, sunlight dancing on the kitchen floor. Never thought I'd ask for more, but lately I've been slowing down, seeing beauty all around. Every moment, big or small, maybe they're the best of all. So I'll hold on just a little tighter, laugh a little louder, love a little brighter. These little things, they mean the most. They make a life I cherish close. Driving home through the pouring rain, your smile shining through the window pane. Dinner's waiting, a warm embrace. Every day the perfect place. And lately I've been looking back, realizing what I have. Every moment, big or small, maybe they're the best of all. So I'll hold on just a little tighter, laugh a little louder, love a little brighter. These little things, they mean the most. They make a life I cherish close. Someday the seasons will change, faces may fade, but love remains. I won't wait for time to show. The best things are the ones I know. So I hold on just a little stronger, stay in the moment, make it last longer. These little things, they mean the most. They make a life I cherish close. So I hold